Note to self: unloosen the bolts before you jack it up. So greetings one and all. Today is Wednesday. The tire came off on me Monday. I was gonna do this yesterday and I got started and just said, Well, actually I went to the store and I got some brake cleaner and I picked up some more lugs, which they only sell them in a 4-pack, so I had to get extra. Gee, thanks guys. Appreciate that. Come on. So what I'm doing today is I didn't turn the camera back on. I just called it a day. Basically, I limped the truck home. Did about 40 miles an hour all the way home, which I'm sure angered everybody, but I just kept pulling over when I had a bunch of cars behind me. I'd pull over and let everyone pass. Drove on his shoulder. Wow. Well, I cannot get this drum off. So my suspicions are that the shoe is bent, which the pin back here holding the brake shoe is bent, and this side's actually gone. So I think when I hit the ground, the impact bent the shoes, which I'll have to replace, and that is not coming off.
Ready to take on the big city? All right.
Damn. You can actually see right here where it's scraped. So I might have to run this down to the auto parts store. Not the auto parts store. I might have to run it down to the tire center, because they might have like a pulley, something you put here and then just So I should have pulled it off and checked it before I drove away. Well, here's a pin I found on the ground. I don't know if that's part of that fell out of here or not.
Is that Mark?
Hello? Alright. My very friendly neighbor came out, taking out the trash. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Just because of the pin that I found, I think the impact bent the 2 retaining pins holding the shoes in. So the shoes are basically just barely hanging on. So those are going to have to be replaced. So I think at this point, because what I've been doing, I've just been taking a hammer and just hitting it from the back, just kind of slowly nudging it out, because I think the pads are all messed up. So I'm going to have to go and buy brake pads, or probably going to have to, I can't tell if the pads are bad. I might as well replace them because they might be bent anyway. So I'm going to need brake pads and the retaining pins. So I think I'm done for the day for this, because I'm going to have to go down and get new pins before I can do anything else, because once I get it off, I won't be able to get it back on without pins for the pads. So I'm looking at a full brake. I'm looking at a rear drum brake job. Good times. Good times. Which really don't, honestly, the pads aren't that bad. So, and believe it or not, I've actually done that kind of work before. It's only been like about 27 years since I've done brake pads. So, yeah. Gonna have to replace the brake, which means I'm gonna have to do both sides, because it doesn't make sense to do one side, not the other. So, yeah, good times. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I know some of you guys don't care about the truck, but I'm not gonna title the video something misleading, and because I wouldn't do that to you. So alright,